In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more sections to your Shopify theme without code. By the end, you'll know exactly how to customize your storefront layout using only the built-in theme editor. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account, then head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main control center, where you manage products, orders, and of course, your online store design. We'll be working entirely from here, so keep this tab open. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, find and click on Online Store. This will open up the sales channel for your storefront. Under Online Store, you'll see a Themes option. This is where all your published and draft themes live, and where you can customize how your store looks to visitors. Next, look for the theme you want to edit. Usually that's your current live theme, which will be labeled as Current Theme or Live Theme. Click on the Customize or Edit Theme button for that theme. This opens the Shopify theme editor, which lets you visually edit your store without touching any code. Inside the theme editor, your store preview appears in the main area, and on the left you'll see a sidebar listing the sections that make up that page. To add a new section, move your mouse over the area in the preview where you want something new to appear. As you hover, you'll see an Add Section option pop up between existing sections or at the top and bottom of the page. Click that Add Section button. A panel will open with a list of all the section types your theme supports. This might include image banners, featured collections, testimonials, rich text blocks, slideshows, and more. Take a moment to scroll through and think about what you want to achieve on that part of the page. Once you've decided what kind of section you want to add, click on it and Shopify will insert it into your layout. You can repeat this process on any part of your store that the theme editor allows, and you can add as many sections as your theme supports. You can also drag sections up or down in the sidebar to rearrange the order until the page flows the way you want. When you're happy with the changes, don't forget the final step. Click the Save button in the top right corner of the editor. Saving publishes your new layout so visitors can see it. If you want to double check, use the preview or view your storefront in a new tab, and that's it. That's how you add more sections to your Shopify theme without writing any code.